welcome back to the channel. We are headed out to Daryle's shop today. We're going to check out his twin turbo car, as you pretty much guessed by the thumbnail and the title. But we're going to go check out his twin turbo car. He got the engine back in and he's got it running, and we are also going to go pick up a part for Philip. We'll see you there. All right, so we made it here, and here it is. So you've got this together this week, right?
Yeah, just 2 days ago I got it all back together, and I got it dropped in, got the motor broke in already, and about an hour ago I swapped from 93 to 85. Just gonna run it on wastegate. Haven't even got to turn the boost up at all, but it feels like a complete new car with the exhaust leaks fixed, transmission working. Feels pretty brutal.
So you got the transmission completely gone through and redone.
Close this time. There was something that found the casing somewhere, I think, and so far this is only 3 days into it, but it's working great.
Yeah. So. All right, so yeah, he's had a lot of trouble with his Turbo 400. So, but anyway, guys, if you haven't seen the car, I've got a couple videos on it, but he's got the On 3 top mount kit. They actually make this kit for that car now. They do make it.
The top mount already?
Top mount. Yeah, they make the top mount. So how did you like the fitment and everything with this kit?
For the money, I mean, it's as good as I could have ever imagined it to fit. You know, minus cutting one little tab off of the valve cover, which is required for clearance. I mean, I have no complaints. How you can make this turbo fit that good in this engine bay is crazy.
Yeah.
You know, and to me, it fit great.
I've been wondering, I've seen their kit for that, and I still haven't decided what I want to do with that car, but I've seen this kit, and I just wonder how it fit, because you've had pretty good success running their setups.
Yeah.
Your low mount was also...
My low mount was great, and top mount, you know, it's a little harder to install, but it sounds so much better.
Just down the road, guys, before it starts getting dark. Stupid winter. I mean, it doesn't even feel like winter out here. It's in...
No, it's like, what, 65 or
67 degrees, and it's in December. I said I wouldn't get back in this car until you got a cage in it, but you're not on high boost.
No, we're running as low boost as we can run.
He's on wastegate. Woo! Shit! You're on wastegate?
Yeah. Yeah, you're about to feel it once we get. Basically, anything under 60, we'll hook it off. But it's kind of the last compound on the tires, but they want to look better. But I think it's here at 16, 70 still burn them.
Yeah, definitely. Hey, you just blew the tires off.
Yeah. Like first gear obviously is no good. Like basically when you brake torque on, you have instant power. Like I just got to hit it a little bit on the first gear.
Yeah, it's just annihilate the tires.
Yeah, you can ride into it.
Okay. Woo!
Nice game.
Yeah, dude. Man.
Yeah, about 80 is when I got it to the floor. I was trying to roll into it.
Dude, this car is oh my Lord. Guys, if you ever watch my videos, I do prefer to be in control of the car. I'm not gonna lie.
The same way. If I wouldn't be riding.
You rode with me a couple times in my 17. I know you were puckering. My 17 had about 680, getting near 700 rear wheel.
Yeah.
And I know I made him pucker quite a few times.
For sure. I'm about to send you.
That's hard to believe, man. Damn.
Until it gets out. I mean, that time it actually kind of hooked at 70, but
It did good that time. Yeah.
60 rolls.
That one you did over there was kind of a little wiggly.
Yeah.
But yeah, that one felt solid.
Yeah, that was even brake torque a little bit.
Man, this thing's wicked, dude.
Yeah. It was fast to me too, since it's been a while since
Yeah.
This thing feels fast. Yeah, I prefer to be in control.
And I think he purposely stays in until I say okay.
Yeah, I like to steer you over there.
You're good, you got me. Thing about it is, guys, it's not really hooking, so it's kind of like, you feel it, you're like, okay. This thing is an absolute beast, man. Oh, that sounds so good. Every time I think supercharger, and then I ride in a turbo car, and it just goes out the window.
You ready to get scared?
No, we're good. No, we're good. No, we're
sure?
good. Yeah, we're good.
Okay, we'll turn around here.
Yeah! No, that shit don't scare me as much as the wide open throttle pulls. Like, we go off the road there, we're good. We should have done that, like, me standing outside. Alright. That's crazy.
Coming apart.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna get you back at the shop. We're done with pulls. He started coming apart. So.
Yeah, they're done.
All right, so real quick, the reason he did all that was these tires were done anyway. He was planning on blowing these off today anyway, so decided why not get some video of it.
Coming in Friday, so I mean, I burn them down every time before I take them off.
There you go. But look, guys, there you go, right there. There you go. They are done. Every time I think supercharger, I get a ride in this car or another turbo car, and I'm just like, you know what? But my only thing with turbo cars is that the supercharger bolts onto the motor, or engine.
Supercharger just bolted on. You don't have all your boost piping to put it. You don't have all that. You know.
Exactly.
The install is so much easier on a supercharger.
Exactly. You do have a lot of easier install on a supercharger, but however, you know, just adjustability and everything of a turbo car. You had low mount and you had it for a while.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I drive my car all over the place. So how do you feel about low mount and somebody driving it all the time?
It's a low mount. The only thing I don't like is, I mean, if you're looking to talk about the on-3 low mount, I know there's a couple different mounts out there. The on-3 low mount, I don't like how the intake piping is designed. You got clearance issues, number one. And but daily driving, I had not even ended up using those pipes. I tried to put little filters on the end, and they would always get grit and stuff on them. And,
yeah. Compared
to my top mounts here, them say 100% clean.
Now I know Xander's kit with the Hell Horse Performance, it just uses filters on the front of the turbo.
Low mount, it does work great, but to me, there's nothing better than a top mount.
Yeah.
You mount them up top, they're away from, you know, water and stuff coming up, debris. You set them up front and basically in front of your tires where you don't get any of that sand, grit, whatever, and it looks a lot better.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
But they all make power. You know, they all work.
Yeah. So decisions, guys. Well, what am I going to do? Anyway, the pole has got the Odin leading, the VMP supercharger. Yeah, the pole has got it leading.
If you're going to get supercharger, Whipple would lead.
Yeah, Whipple, I'm a big fan of Whipple, and everybody's like, you know, I'm not making a decision because I'm waiting to see what the Odin does on the drag strip. I've driven a Whipple car, tuned by you, and I know what it can do. So for me, like, I don't know.
Yeah, I looked at the Odin there at PRI when I was there, and I mean, it looked pretty cool, you know. It's got the eating rotors and everything. I think it'll make a lot of power. All
right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Remember, check out his channel, Boosted. Nope, Daryle Winger now. It used to be, hold on, but it used to be, I will show everybody. It used to be Boosted Coyote. You changed it to Daryle Wingard. Am I pronouncing your last name right?
Yeah,
okay, Wingard. Okay, just making sure. Also, if you're in the West Tennessee area, check him out for tuning. He's going to be tuning this car no matter what power adder I go with. So I imagine he's probably hoping for turbo or Whipple. I know him.
Yeah, I prefer turbos, but if not turbos, go Whipple.
All right, so maybe turbos, who knows? But guys, we'll see in the future. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.